Do you like pineapple? Do you like chicken? We're putting those two together. You're at the right place because we're making a delicious pineapple chicken dish that I think you will enjoy. One thing I've started doing whenever cooking outdoors is getting all my prep work done inside and then bringing it out. That way I can focus on the cook. So now I'm ready to oil my griddle and I'm going to turn it down to medium heat. I've got my chunks of chicken on there and I'm going to add garlic sauce and fresh garlic as well. I love that fresh garlic flavor. Now you could also marinate the chicken in the garlic sauce instead of adding the sauce. Either way works. I've tried both. I've added my veggies onto the other side of the grill, and as my chicken starts getting a nice sear, I'm going to move it around and make sure each side gets a sear. I'm going to switch spatulas just because that one spatula I'm using for the raw chicken, so until it's cooked I don't want to mix things around. And then I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my veggies as well, just to make sure they're getting enough of a cook, and again a little bit more garlic sauce. I like adding a little bit at a time because you can always control the flavor and the consistency there. Giving it a nice steam with having that lid closed really keeps things nice and warm and consistent temperature for me, especially because it's still a little bit cold here. So I do like keeping that lid closed. Once my chicken is all fully cooked, that's when I start bringing everything together, making sure those flavors all are coated with that garlic sauce. And I'm also going to add now my last hero ingredient is that pineapple. Now you can see I've cut the pineapple in really nice big chunks, almost the same size as the chunks of chicken. I really like that consistency and ratio, but you do you. If you want to cut them a little bit smaller or super tiny, that works as well. I'm just cooking it out enough so that all that pineapple juice and flavor really start to get into that dish, and then it is ready. I love it just the way it is, but you can serve it on rice and add a little extra sauce on there. It would be perfect. I love making this dish. Thanks for watching. I hope this dish makes it into one of your dinners soon. See you next time.